The American Express Blue Business Plus credit card is a really nice choice for a catch-all card. And in this video, I'm going to not only show you the process of applying for this credit card, but also the rationale that went through my head when trying to decide on the first credit card for my small business. After all, it certainly was not an easy decision, and I likely spent more time on this decision process than I'd like to admit. As you may know, this channel recently became monetized on YouTube as of August 30th, thanks to each and every one of you who watch these videos. So now that I'm official, I wanted to get my first business credit card so I can begin separating my business expenses from my personal ones. And I actually put out a poll on my community tab asking you what card you thought I was going to choose. 49% of you were spot on with the Amex Blue Business Plus, and 37% of you came in a close second with the Chase Ink Business Unlimited. And that's honestly pretty accurate, because I was highly considering going for the Chase Ink Business Unlimited for a couple reasons. As you may know, I've had the Chase Sapphire Preferred for quite a while, so if I would have gone with the Ink Business Unlimited, I'd actually be able to transfer the Chase Ultimate Rewards points from this card over to the Sapphire Preferred. That would have been nice, because not only would I be able to get more value from the points that way, but I'd also have more cards earning the same rewards points. And there's certainly something to be said for having your rewards consolidated under one roof. But the main reason I didn't go with this card is because my upcoming expenses fall short of the $7,500 spend that's required to get the $750 sign-up bonus that the Ink Business Unlimited comes with. Now, the other reason I decided against this card for now is I don't think I'd actually get approved for it. And that's because I've exceeded Chase's 524 rule. It's pretty funky, because if I got this card, it wouldn't count towards the 524 rule in itself because it's a business card, but I wouldn't be approved for it since I'm above 524. So if I did decide to go with this card, I'd have to wait until December when I'm below 524. So down the road, when this channel is more established and I'm ready to upgrade my cameras and other equipment, this is certainly a card I'll be looking at. Another card I thought about was the Bank of America Business Advantage Customized Cash Rewards Credit Card. First of all, do you think they can stuff any more words in the name of that card? So this card would certainly provide a nice amount of value as long as your spend aligns with the categories that they offer. I'd get a little bit of value from the 2% back on dining, but since I don't really have much business spend in the 3% categories you can choose from, I ultimately decided against this card. Now, the one thing I was attracted to with this card was the $300 sign-up bonus after $3,000 worth of spend. But ultimately, I decided this card wasn't really a good fit for me at this point in time. But for now, the Amex Blue Business Plus offers a really nice value, especially for my first business card. And this is because it offers 2x membership rewards points for every dollar spent up to $50,000 per year. Plus, it has no annual fee, which is definitely what I'm looking for in my first card. Now, this is actually my very first card that earns membership rewards points. This is great because I can finally link my American Express account to Rakuten so that I can earn membership rewards points from that as well. The nice thing about this is you could squeeze more value out of MR points than you can with cash. Now, since my business expenses consist of software subscriptions and equipment purchases, being able to get consistent 2x membership rewards points is going to be really nice. Plus, this card offers additional benefits like an additional 1-year extended warranty and 90 days worth of purchase protection on covered purchases. Now, this is especially nice since a lot of my purchases are going to be electronics. Another thing that drew me to this card was the sign-up bonus. The sign-up bonus that I'm going for aligns more with my current expenditures when compared with the sign-up bonuses from the Chase Ink cards. And the Amex Blue Business Plus actually has 2 sign-up bonuses available right now. One is for 50,000 membership rewards points after you spend $15,000 over the course of the first year, while the other sign-up bonus gets you 15,000 membership rewards points after you spend $3,000 within the first 3 months. Now, technically, the 15,000 membership rewards point sign-up bonus gets you more bang for your buck, coming out to 5 points per dollar spent, while the 50,000 point bonus only gets you about 3.33 points per dollar spent. Now, I am going to try to get the 50,000 point bonus, but I likely won't be eligible for it since I wasn't targeted with this offer. Another part of the intro bonus the Amex Blue Business Plus is offering is 0% intro APR on purchases for 12 months. Now, I don't know if I'll be taking advantage of this, but it is a nice little perk to have in case you need it. And before we jump into the application process, I want to give you some of my data points so that you have a good understanding of where I stand credit-wise. Now, I like viewing my credit score on Experian and Discover, since Experian gives me my Experian FICO 8 score and Discover gives me my TransUnion FICO 8 score. It's typically a little more applicable than getting your score from, say, Credit Karma or Credit Sesame, where they'll be providing you with your Vantage score. Now, there's certainly nothing wrong with Vantage score, it's just less likely to be used by lenders than FICO. So as we can see here, Experian is showing my FICO 8 score at 835, while Discover is showing my FICO 8 sitting at 845. So if Amex pulls my personal credit score for this application, I'm confident my credit score will not be an issue. Now, the most recent credit card I've gotten was back in April 2021, so about a year and a half ago at this point. And I currently have 14 personal credit cards with an available credit limit of $126,500. And another reason getting a business credit card for my new LLC is so important is so I can start building business credit. So this way, down the road, hopefully I won't have to rely on my personal credit history in order to qualify for business loans or business lines of credit. So let's get into the application process so you can see exactly how to fill it out, and then we can see if I was approved. And if so, we'll see what kind of credit limit Amex has given me. All right, so I have two offers in front of me for the American Express Business Plus. So I'm gonna see if I'm eligible for the 50,000 membership rewards points offer and go from there. Log into your account. Yes, I would like to log in. Nope, this offer is no longer available. So I'm gonna have to go with the 15,000 membership rewards points offer. It looks like this was a targeted offer and they didn't target me. All right, so let's hop in and go through the application process. Now, I'm super nervous because this is literally the first business card I've ever applied for. First things first, we want to make sure our application has the correct sign-up bonus. You'll be able to see the attached bonus on the left of the screen, which is for 15,000 MR points after $3,000 in spend. Now, since I've already logged into my personal Amex account, this card's going to be automatically added to this account. If you want to keep your business cards separate from your personal ones, you should make sure you're logged out of Amex before applying. I personally want to keep it all under the same account so I can easily pull my MR points if I decide to get a personal Amex MR card down the road. But as of right now, the only personal Amex card I have is the Blue Cash Everyday, which doesn't earn MR points. So for your total annual income, you'll want to include all income you have access to. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be your own income, but you do want to be truthful here, as it is possible that they'll ask you to verify your income. And if you're not able to verify it, it's possible they could shut down your accounts or worse. Now, for legal business name, since I have an LLC, I'll enter my LLC's formal name in this field. However, if you're a sole proprietor and you don't have an official business entity set up, you can simply apply for this card under your own name. This would apply if you're just starting out and haven't created a formal business entity yet, or if you do some service work here and there or sell things on the side. So for instance, maybe you're a tutor, maybe you rent out a room on Airbnb, or you drive for Uber or Lyft. Or perhaps you simply sell things on eBay here and there. Now, if this sounds like you, you'd be eligible to apply for a business card like this as a sole proprietor. Next is the business name on card. This is a required field, and it's what's going to show up right under your actual name on your physical card. This can be customized and doesn't necessarily have to be your legal business name, so this could be a trade name, for instance. And the next field is your company DBA name. If you filed a DBA for your business, you'd put that here. And if you haven't filed one, you'll simply click the company does not have a DBA checkbox right below it. Now, the next few fields are regarding your business address and business phone number, which are pretty self-explanatory. Now, for company structure, if you've created an LLC, you'll want to choose corporation. However, if you're applying for this card and haven't created a formal business entity, you'll want to select sole proprietorship. However, if you do choose LLC like I am, you'll then have to confirm that you own at least 25% of the business. Now, if you own 100% of the business, like in my case, you'd simply leave the next checkbox blank. And then for annual business revenue. Whether you're a corporation or a sole proprietor, you want to definitely put something that's more than zero, but obviously you'll want to be truthful as well. This can definitely be an estimate, especially if you're just starting out. Now, I'm going to put $5,000 here for now, and hopefully that's a significant underestimation, but we'll see. Now, if you are a partnership or a corporation, Amex is requiring you have an EIN for the federal tax ID field of this application. And for the role in the company, I'm going to select owner. All right, so I have all my information plugged in, and now for the moment of truth. And I'm super nervous because this is literally the first business card I've ever applied for, so we shall see. Come on, buddy. Pending review. All right. To process your application, we need some additional information about you and, if applicable, the other business owners of your company. Please call customer care. Let's do that.
Hi, this is Josh from American Express New Accounts team, and this call may be monitored, recorded, and analyzed for quality improvement and fraud prevention. Hi, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing well also, sir. May I have your first name for me to properly address you?
Joshua.
And can you confirm to me what American Express card you are applying for?
I'm applying for the Business Blue Plus.
A Blue Business Plus.
Yeah, Blue Business Plus, yeah.
Let me check here what needs to be done on this application. Okay. As I can see here, your application is still a pending status because it was applied today, right? And I need to verify the company existence.
Okay.
Could you provide to me the legal business name?
Yeah.
And is this an incorporated or LLC?
LLC.
Okay, thank you so much for that. May I place this call on hold for me to process or run my resources here for verification? And
Yep.
I will get back to you for about 1 to 2 minutes.
Okay, great.
Thank you.
Thank you. All right, so we'll check back in a minute. Not going to leave you to listen to this fire Amex music.
Hi, thank you so much for patiently holding on the line.
Mm-hmm.
I'm still verifying the existence of the company here on my end. So may I place this call again for about 1 to 2 minutes?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, thank you so much.
Mm-hmm.
Hello again, Mr. Joshua. Thank you for patiently holding on the line.
Yep.
I do now have satisfied the existence of the company, and I will now finalize the application.
Okay, great.
So let me go ahead and finalize this application first, okay?
Okay.
Hello, again, thank you so much for patiently holding on the line. Joshua, congratulations. The application for a Blue Business Plus card is now approved.
All right,
And the
awesome.
expected delivery date of the card is on October 21, 2022 via USPS First Class Mail. And also, regarding the instant card number, upon checking here, the application is not eligible for that. But if you need the card immediately, I can expedite it. But upon requesting for the expedition of the card, it will take 24 to 72 hours, and it will subject for approval. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that would be fantastic.
And okay, I will request this for the expedition of the card, and also for the credit limit is $10,000, and for the cash limit is $0.
Okay.
So, is there anything else I can assist you with, sir?
No, that's all. Thanks so much for your help.
Once again, this is Josh from American Express New Accounts Department. Congratulations and thank you for always choosing American Express as your financial partner since 2016. Have a great day and bye for now.
Thanks, Josh. You too. All right, so we're approved. So I'm really excited to have been approved for this card. I honestly had no idea if I'd be approved, or if I was approved, how much credit they'd give me. Now, I did unfreeze my credit in preparation to apply for this card, but I'm not exactly sure if they're gonna do a hard pull or not. And if you're interested in taking an intimate peek inside my wallet, I think you'll enjoy this video up here.